Today we are heading out to Platte River to see what we can catch. Bentley and I just got a headlamp and fishing worms for our fishing trip tonight.
Yeah, we're gonna have super duper much fun fishing.
Right now it's storming. Hopefully it stops by the time we get out there.
Yeah, hopefully. Okay, we're heading.
Not too far out now.
Yeah, not too far out. It's slightly raining.
We're gonna go fish the Platte River.
Platte River, right?
We arrived. We're gonna go here and check out this spot. All right, guys, we're finally here at the spot. It's really pretty here.
Yeah, pretty darn pretty.
It's pretty busy too. Let's unpack our stuff and get to fishing. All right, guys. I'm gonna grab our fishing gear and get down to the lake.
Yep.
Yeah, hold it for now. Oh, here, hold that.
Okay. Get this stuff. There we go.
Hold that. Good, sir.
Thank you. Fun fishing trip. I just got out of school.
What in tarnations?
Worms. The night crawlers stay up there. That's fun.
All right, we'll have to come back and get more stuff. You got everything, Bentley?
Yep.
Let's go look at the rules.
Nice room. 3 methods allowed. The use of
Antlers.
Okay. Area closed at 10 p.m. to 4 a.m. Expect for use is permit by the Wildlife Code. No loitering, no fireworks, no open fires, no target.
I wonder if we can camp here. Yeah. Come on. It's not very deep.
Smells good, I guess you could say.
We've got shrimp on this pole and garlic night crawlers on this one. I'm getting some nibbles on the shrimp. Bentley's trying to catch us some bait.
Yeah.
Well, so far, guys, there's been no bites. We've gotten a few nibbles on the shrimp, but that's about it. Bentley's over there still trying to catch fish bait. He said he's getting nibbles. Like right there. This is where I would see how it's swirling right there. Cast it right in the middle of that.
Oh, just trying to get some bait right now so I can cast it out. Maybe get a bait fish so we can catch some catfish. I don't know. Well, I'm just gonna hope for the best.
Are you still having a good time even though we're not catching anything right now?
Wow.
Look, you got your headlamp prepared and ready to go.
Yeah.
Ready for nighttime.
Ooh.
Yeah, don't fall.
Yeah, I don't want to do that.
What are you trying to do? Oh,
I
get
just
the
want
fishing
normal
worms?
bait. That's what I want.
You want the night crawlers or the garlic ones?
Just normal nights. That's really all I want.
Excuse me. Let's see how you do. Put a full one on there.
That's all I'm gonna do. That's the one that I took off. It's still alive. Wait. Yeah, put a full one. That's a tiny hook for a full one. But I rip it in half.
Put the full one on there.
Small one.
We're not really using them up, so.
Okay. Small thing for that much.
It's pretty muddy down here, too.
Yeah.
Got mud on my boots.
Me too. Stop moving.
Look at the concentration. You're super concentrating.
Put it on a couple of times. There we are. Now he's just gonna hang there and dangle until he.
Hey, that might be good.
What?
Might be really good for them.
Yeah. Hopefully we catch at least a catfish tonight. So something to eat. Big catfish.
What do you think we need to stop and eat after this?
Something fish.
McDonald's?
I mean, yeah, they have fish stuff. I don't know.
You gonna eat fish?
No, probably not. I don't know. Probably if it's catfish, most likely. But
What's your favorite thing about fishing?
spending time with my dad. And
Hey,
family,
that's my favorite thing about fishing. Just being able to spend time with my boy there.
like watching the fish, watching the currents with the sky reflecting off of it.
Sometimes we catch quite a bit of fish, though.
Yeah, like that time I caught more than all y'all.
Yeah? Were we crappie fishing?
Yeah, I think so.
You excited for our camping,
Yeah.
camping trip?
I think that's going to be our next video. It's going to be for my birthday, because on my birthday I'll be turning 11.
Dang.
Yeah.
You already got your birthday present? Everything.
Yeah. And maybe if I can, with my birthday present, I can record too.
Yeah, maybe so.
Record what I do.
We'll call it Little RFO.
Yeah. Oh yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe to RFO. It'd be nice. Oh crap, felt sprinkled. There gets leaves.
I think you're just silly.
Maybe. Well, you know what would be nice if we were fishing in the ocean?
Yeah, doing some ocean fishing?
Yeah,
Maybe one day we can.
one day.
Catch some halibut.
Get something to eat.
Those are like those flatfish.
Oh yeah,
Hey,
sorry.
what a dork.
Here.
There you go. Now you're a gangster.
Wait, isn't the, I don't know. Oh yeah, there's flatfish that are like that big.
Yeah, but they're really big. They get really long and stuff and wide.
I bet,
Yeah.
longest one, I bet, is like this one.
Your uncle in Oregon goes out and catches them.
Yeah, I know.
Maybe we can go out there with him and do it.
Yeah, it's pretty beautiful outside right now.
Yeah, it is.
It's a nice. What it is. The sunset's going away.
Yeah, it was. We kind of missed it.
Yeah. Probably should have recorded that a bit more.
Nah, it's all good.
There's a heron down there.
Oh, here comes a boat. Look.
In the dock.
Let's look at him.
Oh, they won't cross now.
No, we're right here.
Careful around the tree. I just saw a fish jump up on the bank over there and just fall down.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, slip down it.
We need to get a little boat.
Yeah, you know. So we could go out farther than just the bank. Yeah. Maybe go swimming with it.
Yeah.
Since it's getting about that time, summertime. I don't know about you, but eventually I might put on my hoodie. It's getting cold.
Already? Yeah, I think it's warm out. It's like 75 degrees. It's perfect.
It's just the breeze is hitting me.
Cannot complain.
I might not. It's like
You're bleeding. Why are you bleeding?
slap the frick out of the June bug.
Dang.
I don't know. Cut. Yeah, it's all hard. Smells good. You recording me?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Boy, get
All right, bring that pole over here and we'll do the next one.
The June bugs keep coming so close to me. I'm about to slap them.
Careful.
My foot's getting stuck in the middle.
It feels good out here. It's nice and cool.
Yeah.
Hopefully it's like this when we go camping.
Yeah, hopefully.
Reel it in fast. Good job.
Got mud all
All right, same thing with that one.
This one's longer than the other one.
Yeah, it is. That light is bright. Dang, man. I must be getting sick.
Uh-oh.
What?
Sick. Ow.
Yeah, don't poke yourself. You gotta be more careful than that.
God. Don't attack me. Stupid ant. Oh, there's an ant on me. There.
All right, you might have to let a little bit out so you can hook it on that bottom one. So, here, I'll hold the line. Be careful. All right, now reel it in. Hold on.
It's hard to reel in.
Watch it, I got a hook right here. Oh. There you go.
I swear, if the June bug attacks me again, I'm going to grab it.
I about fell that time.
This mud is deadly.
Yeah. All right, now we gotta pack this stuff out. Let's go ahead and dump the worms in the river.
Bye bye, wormies. We barely even used the
Here, let's go this way. We'll go to the boat dock.
time where this place will close anyway.
Oh, it don't actually close.
Okay. Say goodbye to the wormies.
Send them. Dang.
Oh my god. I'm gonna get mad. Bro.
Now, everybody, when you're out fishing, pick up your trash. Don't leave your fishing line out. Don't trash the place. Because eventually they'll start gating everything up and not letting you fish. So be respectful.
Yeah, because we want to.
It's a privilege to fish.
Food and everything.
All right, let's pack this car.
Yo. Here we are. You want the tools?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, let me grab these chairs first.
Okay.
Ooh, watch it. We got hooks. Hooks. Alrighty. I'm in this way. Can you reach in there and pull the back of these?
Yep.
And lift them up and pull them in. There you go, that's far enough. That'll do. All right, guys. We tried, but didn't have much of a bite. But
No.
we had a good time, didn't we? I really enjoyed it. And
Yeah.
our next video will probably be some backyard stuff, some fires and projector and movie night. And
Camping.
the next will be camping. Yeah, that's a good one.
Yeah.
So, did you enjoy it?
Yeah.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Thank you for hanging out with me, buddy.
Yeah,
I love you.
no problem. I love you too.